Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the D3D12.dll missing error on Windows 11. First, repair your Windows system files. Open the Start menu, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type sfc/scan now and press Enter. Windows will now scan your computer for corrupted or missing system files and automatically repair them whenever possible. The scan may take several minutes, so wait until it reaches 100%. When it finishes, restart your computer and check if the error is gone. If the issue continues, update your graphics driver and DirectX. Open your browser and go to your GPU manufacturer's official website. Search for the latest drivers for your GPU and download them. After downloading, install the drivers and then restart your computer. After updating the driver, download and run the Microsoft DirectX web installer. This tool installs or replaces missing DirectX runtime components, including important files that some games and applications need to run correctly. Thanks for watching.